Golden and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. These homemade veggie patties are such a simple way to make dinner feel special. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. I always like to double check before I start. It keeps things stress-free. I peel the zucchini and potatoes. If you've got young zucchini, you can leave the skin on for extra flavor. I grate the veggies on the coarse side of the grater. My little one usually holds the bowl for me. It turns into a team effort. I add salt and give it all a mix. Then I let it sit for a while so it releases its water. That way the patties won't fall apart. In the meantime, I dice an onion. And yes, the tears always come, it's just part of the process. The onion goes into a pan with a little olive oil. I saute until soft and golden. The kitchen already feels cozier. I grate a carrot and slice up some bell pepper into thin strips. It adds both crunch and a splash of color. I grate a clove of garlic finely. Feel free to use more if you're a garlic lover. I add all the veggies to the softened onion. A quick stir, and I let them get to know each other in the pan. If you're into easy family dinners, drop a comment below. I love hearing your ideas while sipping my evening tea. Back to the zucchini and potatoes, I squeeze out the excess water by hand. Messy, but the best way to do it right. Add in the pan-fried veggies. The colors already look amazing together. I season with salt, pepper, and my favorite spices. Finally, some fresh parsley, it brightens everything up. Sometimes I joke that these patties are like a little puzzle of flavors. Each ingredient adds a piece, and together they make something whole. And honestly, this dish always feels homely, simple veggies, yet it brings everyone to the table. I crack in one egg, it binds everything together. A little grated cheese, about 2 tablespoons. It melts inside and makes the patties richer. Finally, some flour. I stir until the mix is firm but still soft. I heat up a pan over low heat. With damp hands, I shape the patties. I fry them slowly, uncovered until golden on both sides. With these smells drifting through the house, someone always walks in asking, "Is dinner ready yet?" And I laugh, almost, just give it a few more minutes. That's when they taste best. For the sauce, I mix yogurt with grated garlic and fresh parsley. It's creamy, tangy, and perfect for dipping. And there they are, crispy outside, tender inside, a healthy, cozy dinner in no time. Leave a heart if you try these at home, and subscribe so you don't miss the next easy recipe.